CR po na ako. Region 6, Team A, Cabanatuan National Comprehensive High School.
Congratulations once again to our second runner-up, Region 6, Team A, Cabanatuan National Comprehensive High School.
May babae ako nakita kay ganda. Yung mga mata niya ay bibihagin ka.
Already, I see here.
Sa kanya ay
What's
mating na
up?
parang
One more.
pinamaka ni Cupido sa pul ka. Yung mga lakad niya ay
Congratulations! And now for the first runner-up. They will receive 2 laptops worth 50,000 pesos each and 1 Intelligent Star robotics kit for their school with a prize value of 150,000 pesos. Our 2026 TechQuest National Robotics Challenge for Academia first runner-up, garnering a total score of 618 points. 618. Congratulations to Region 12 Team B, Philippine Science High School Soccer Generation Campus in Coronadal City.
Okay, I see you. Ready? 1, 2, smile!
Alright, and now let's hear our awardee for the champion. Ready na ba kayo?
Sino bet nyo?
Well, tayo lahat ay champion. Oh. So, our champion will receive 2 education grants worth 100,000 pesos each and 1 Intelligent Star robotics kit for the school with a total prize value of 250,000 pesos. Our champion will also get to represent the Philippines and compete in the international competition in China. Our champion for the first ever TechQuest National Robotics Challenge for Academia, earning 642 scores. Congratulations to
Cordillera University Region Team B, University of Cordillera.
Bagan ba? Ale, doon. Ito pala.
Tatlo lang sila.